Hey, it's Jacob here with the Pool Supply. Today we're going to go over the MX6 Elite and what's in the box. This is a brand spanking new cleaner. Today is November 19th, 2018. We just got our very first one in today. Pretty cool. Zodiac's cruising on the new technology for their cleaners, which is great. They're extending your warranty to 2 years with this bad boy. This is a pretty nifty cleaner, and we'll show you why here in a second once we start unboxing it. So as you can see here, the nice pretty retail packaging. It's just pretty cool. So let's take this thing apart. I pre-cut it so you don't have to watch me again unbox this cleaner. So yeah, there we go. All right, so inside the box here, we have our 10 factory hoses that come with us. They're interlocking hoses, so as you can see, these guys just interlock with each other so you never have any blowback or separation or anything like that, which is kind of neat. On this hose, this is your leader hose. So this is your flow regulator valve with your float. And this is 5.5 inches away from the top. It comes factory installed. Very, very important. In a second, I'll show you where this one goes. But this is very, very important in installing the pool cleaner itself. You got your goodie bag kit here, and then you have your pool cleaner, or this fancy little packaging that they decided to do now. So, pop this thing open. All right, here it is, our MX6 Elite. Right here on top comes with our simple install card of how many rates per second they want or rates per minute they want on the wheels itself. As you can see here on the bottom, this is what signifies an MX6 Elite. It's got the cyclonic cleaning suction assembly, the cyclonic cleaner attached to it, I should say. These little flappers, they scrub the bottom of your pool floor, so every time this cleaner moves, it's just scrubbing. So as you can see here, so you can get this thing moving. Yeah. So see how it keeps going? And this thing flies. So this thing goes real fast and cleans the bottom of your pool floor. Obviously these are gonna go bad, so these actually unclip and you can change them out as they go bad. It's almost like getting a new brush in your pool. So these things are gonna clean your pool really well. As you can see, let's put the box back down. So with that leader hose. So I'll throw a leader hose here. So this one obviously just clips right on top like that. This cleaner is virtually just like the MX6. It's pretty good cleaner, smaller cleaner. If you want the bigger version, maybe look to the MX8 or the MX8 Elite as well. But this little cleaner is kind of neat. It's only got a side A inside of it. So as you can see, right here is a black gear. Black gears are the updated version of your gear kit assembly inside your MX6 or MX8 as well. They used to be gray, so if you have a black one, highly recommend getting the black one installed. It's got a very good lifespan to it and it'll last you a very long time. But as for this flow regulator valve, this thing regulates too much suction. So pretty much if you have this thing cranked up all the way, if you didn't have this installed, you're gonna blow through gearboxes all the time. This thing actually will bypass the suction that sucks from the outside of the pool up here, so your cleaner doesn't get broken right away. It literally perfects the amount of suction coming from the cleaner, so it's constantly at that perfect speed to maximize the longevity of the cleaner. Really neat. So as this goodie bag goes, we got our flow keeper valve, which actually you put this thing inside your skimmer, and this is a spring adjust. So if you go down or up, it strengthens and weakens this spring open. This almost works the same way as your flow regulator valve over here. But this thing goes in the very last hose towards the wall or in the skimmer. And you put your 45 on here and all these other couplings, and that's how it actually goes into the skimmer or the pool wall. But honestly, don't put this in the pool wall if you have a separate skimmer section, because this thing's going to do the same idea. So then you have your white hose cuff. And then you have your blue 45, which is the one that goes in the side of the pool wall and that the hose that goes to the pool wall connects to. However, don't put this inside the wall. Get an aftermarket back lock is probably the best way to do it, because those will actually clip onto this piece right here. And then if this thing pops out of the wall, the back lock will shut for safety purposes as well. And then you have a blue 45, which also every pool is different, so some pools require this stuff and some pools don't. But overall, this is your MX6 Elite. You got the nice pretty little logo in here. These are really, really cool. These cyclonic cleaning scrubbers are really, really cool to clean your pool with. So we highly recommend this cleaner. Again, a 2-year warranty, which is fantastic for these cleaners. So yeah, thank you for watching. This is Jacob with Deep Pool Supply. Subscribe today.